Huawei. The Chinese tech giant is all set to release the new Huawei Nova 13 series of smartphones, including the Huawei Nova 13, 13 Pro and the 13 Ultra. However, the company hasn't officially confirmed these devices yet. But Huawei is now teasing a brand new flip phone called as the Huawei Nova Flip, which is a very unique looking phone. That's why it's got my attention. Well, Huawei Nova Flip will launch on August 5, and ahead of that, a bunch of live images, even the unboxing video of the smartphone surfaced online, revealing the amazing aesthetics of the new foldable. Well, this visual of the phone focuses on the overall appearance and showcase the zero white color of the phone. Now, look at that beautiful design. Starting from the back though, the device has two halves. The first one shows a rectangular shape on the upper side with a silver rim. It houses a square cover screen with round edges and two vertically arranged lens rings. Beneath the lens though, there is a tiny LED flash. The second half of the rear side shows a silver colored Nova and the Huawei logo. Nova Flip has more rounded body than its predecessor. It further holds a side-mounted fingerprint sensor plus power button and a volume rockers on the one side. Anyway, if we talk about this rear screen, well, I would say this is the main attraction of the phone. This is basically a 2.1-inch 480 by 480 pixel resolution display, which can be helpful to see important notification and should have more features, including using some important apps without opening the phone and using the main camera from this tiny display. Talking about the cameras though, for now, it is only known that the device has a main 50 megapixel rear camera. Nothing is yet known regarding the second camera. If we talk about the front side of the phone, the front screen probably measures a 6.9 inches with 2690 by 1136 pixel resolution. It has a single punch hole camera at the center, and the smartphone comes with the Harmony OS 4.2 out of the box, which will have a lot of new AI features. Moving on, the smartphone is currently available in two storage variants, 256GB and 512GB. Both versions are paired with 12GB of RAM. Other than that, we don't have any confirmation about the chipset of the phone, but I will cover that information right after I get confirmation. But for the time being, this is all I got. So what do you think about this unique looking Huawei phone? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below, and as always, the story continues and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.